Are you interested in staying relevant in your career as technology advances? Check out this video to learn about the top 9 AI skills essential for keeping up with the latest trends and outperforming most of your peers. Discover the key competencies you need to develop to succeed in the age of artificial intelligence. Skill 1. Machine Learning Fundamentals. Machine learning is a form of artificial intelligence involving a computer or machine learning from past experiences, input data, and using that knowledge to make predictions. The goal is for the system to perform at least as well as a human. Gain a solid foundation in machine learning algorithms, techniques, and tools that empower AI systems to learn from data and make intelligent decisions. Skill 2. Neural networks and deep learning. A neural network is a method in artificial intelligence that teaches computers to process data in a way that is inspired by the human brain. It is a type of machine learning process called deep learning that uses interconnected nodes or neurons in a layered structure that resembles the human brain. Dive deep into neural networks, the building blocks of deep learning, to develop models capable of recognizing patterns, images, and even complex speech. Skill 3. Natural Language Processing, NLP. Natural Language Processing, NLP, is a subfield of artificial intelligence, AI, that assists machines in comprehending and interpreting human language, allowing them to perform repetitive tasks automatically. Explore NLP techniques to build AI systems that understand and interpret human language, enabling tasks like sentiment analysis, chatbots, and language translation. Skill 4. Computer Vision. Computer vision is a field that combines various disciplines to enable computers to understand digital images and videos at a higher level. Master the art of teaching machines to interpret and analyze visual data, allowing them to recognize objects, faces, and even emotions in images and videos. Skill 5. Robotics and Automation. Industrial automation and robotics are the use of computers, control systems, and information technology to manage industrial processes and machinery, replacing manual labor to enhance efficiency, speed, quality, and performance. Discover how to integrate AI with robotics to automate tasks, improve productivity, and revolutionize industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare. Skill 6. Data Analysis and Visualization. Data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data in a pictorial or graphic format. Data analytics involves analyzing data sets to make informed decisions, often using specialized software and systems. Acquire the ability to effectively analyze vast amounts of data, extract meaningful insights, and present them visually to drive informed decision-making processes. Skill 7. Ethical AI. Ethical AI is artificial intelligence that adheres to well-defined ethical guidelines regarding fundamental values, including such things as individual rights, privacy, non-discrimination, and non-manipulation. Understand the ethical implications of AI technology and learn how to prioritize topics such as fairness, transparency, privacy, and responsible AI development. Skill 8. AI Strategy and Implementation. Creating an AI integration strategy may sound complex, but it's just a plan to incorporate AI into your company's overall goals and automation objectives. This plan should align with your broader business objectives. Develop a strategic mindset to identify AI opportunities within your organization and effectively implement AI solutions that fuel growth and innovation. Skill 9. Continuous Learning. Continuous learning, also known as constant learning, is the concept of always expanding your knowledge to gain new skills and expertise. Continuous learning involves providing employees with tools to facilitate their steady learning. Embrace a lifelong learning mindset to keep up with the rapidly evolving field of AI, staying adaptable and constantly upgrading your skills. By mastering these 9 AI skills, you can gain a significant advantage in a world where AI is transforming industries and job markets. Keep yourself ahead of the competition and position yourself for success in the AI era. Let's embark on this journey of transformation together. Thanks for watching. Get ready to embrace the future. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you get all the updates. Thanks for watching.